Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing a review on this collection right here, and this is by Olens, and this is the Ailend collection. So I have all three colors for you guys to review, and this one, like, I was so excited to get this because the promo for this is like just epic. Like, the way they promote this is basically, if you guys watch the video, is basically imagine yourself being on a cruise or on a boat and looking back at the waves that it makes. Basically, that effect on the water, the waves, is on your eyes. That's how I can explain it. So basically, just having waves on your eye just make you feel like you're on an island, just make you feel like you're on a cruise. This is how I felt. The price for this is actually $29 but again, Olens always provide like a buy one get one free deal, which means you actually get 2 boxes of this for $29. One box consists of 2 lenses, so a pair of lenses, and it lasts for 1 month. And if you are like me, have 2 different eye power, you don't need to worry. You can get one of each power for the same price of $29, which is perfect. So in regards of the diameter, this is actually only 12.9mm for the graphic diameter, and then the overall diameter is actually 14mm. So it's actually leaning towards much more of the natural and smaller diameter side for those who don't like really enlarging effect. I'm actually wearing one right now, which is the Olens Ailend Cobalt. So let's talk about the color first, and I really want to talk about this particular eye color first. So let me get my mirror. So this is the Ailend Cobalt, and when I first put this on, I was like, holy crap, like, this is so beautiful. Like, I've never fallen in love with an eye color. I kept saying that, but seriously, this has to be like my top 1 favorite color right now. Like, it is such a unique color. Like, at first glance, when I first put it on, I was like, this is such a beautiful dark blue color. But when after filming this and actually looking closer at the mirror, it somehow changed into a purple color. And then after reading it on the description again, it made so much sense because the way they describe it is also blue, purple and black color. So it's like a 3-tone in one color, but somehow they make the blue and purple meet really nicely onto the lenses, and you can see from far away it doesn't look like blue or purple. It looks like a black color, but close up it's just so unique. It is so natural looking. It's just so beautiful. Like, I cannot explain how beautiful this particular color is on my eyes. Like, I just love it so much. It's just, I guess, different the way different people say it. Some people may say it blue, some people may say it purple, some people may actually say it grey as well, because you can see a little hint of grey in it. And the other interesting thing that I forgot to mention is that these contact lenses contain 30 million microdots, which means that's how they show you the detail of the waves and the contact lens, and it is so obvious on the eyes. Like, you think it's obvious on the camera, but in real life, looking at it close up, you can definitely see the waves in your eyes, and the more you look at it, it sometimes look like fire flame as well at the same time. Like, I cannot tell you how much I really like this color, okay, and this contact lens. But yeah, so this is the Ailend Cobalt, and the outer rim, it consists of like a dark gray and dark blue, and the slowly you go in, it consists of a mixture of mainly light purple but also a little bit of gray in it as well, and then in between it just blends into the outline of the contact lens. Next color is Ailend Brown, and this one is also a beautiful brown shade color. So imagine the Spanish circle brown. This is like the wavy version and much more golden color of the Spanish circle. So if you guys like the Spanish circle brown and you want something much more golden and much more lighter, much more brighter, glowy looking, I would definitely recommend this Ailend Brown, because it is very similar, but somehow this looks much more sparklier. Like, it just shows more spark and glow on the eyes for this one. Definitely also leaning toward the natural side. So on the outer rim you have like the dark brown but also a little mixture of black in it, and then on the inside you have like this bright golden yellow color going into it. So it's actually a really beautiful golden brown lens. The last one is Ailend Grey, and this one is also a really unique color. When I actually put this on, it was lighter than I expected, but I actually really like the turnout because it looks so natural as well. Definitely definitely doesn't look like the Spanish Circle Brown, way different than that. This one is just, when you first look at it, it really shows you that really frosty light grey color, but also really natural at the same time. Somehow I feel like my eyes just looks much more brighter putting on the grey for some reason. And so the outer part you have that dark grey, the inner part you have a mixture of actually light grey and also a greenish hazel color, as well as a little bit hint of yellow. So sort of like a 4-in-1 contact lens for me, and I guess that's how they just make it really light grey, because a lot of grey contact lens I wear on my black eye, it somehow turns into a very dark grey for me, or like a stone grey. But this one is a very nice cool tone grey color, which I really like. And overall, all of this do show like that wavy effect, which I thought was really cool. And if I had to rate which is my most favorite and the least, I would say number 1, this Island Cobalt, number 2, Island Grey, and number 3, Island Brown. But to be honest, I like all 3 a lot. Like, I have to say, out of all these Olens collection, this is probably one of my favorite collection from them, along with my Spanish color and my Spanish collection and my Secrets collection as well. Like, this has got to be my top 3 collection basically. I really do like this a lot. And if you guys think that this is similar to the Blinksome collection, it is completely different. It's just the Blinksome one has much more of a flowery effect, but this one is much more wavy, and I think I'm pretty sure it's much more smaller for the diameter. It's much more natural looking as well. So I hope you guys find this helpful and detailed. And if you guys have any more questions, just put it down below. And I am planning on doing like a collection video for you guys. So if you guys have any suggestions of what you might want me to feature in the collection video, definitely put it down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!